Good morning, 5th class. Lesson number 3. The selfish giant. Now take out page number 12. Okay, take out the page number 12. Here you can see. Take a screenshot of this. Yes, here summative formative assessment. Pick suitable words from the passage from the paragraph mentioned. So here see para 2. Okay, from the para we need to find out and we need to select one word and write over here. So this lace dress is very beautiful. You must wear it with care. Although his manners is selfish, Mr. Lee is a kind man. I love spring. It is time for trees to blossom. Every morning I wake up hearing the singing of the birds from the banyan tree near my house. Ever since it has stopped raining, the days have been bright and sunny. When she unwrapped the surprise gift, the child which shouted with delight. Now page number 13. Screenshot this also. Okay, screenshot this and write it in your classwork. So it is we have to write differences before when children used to play, when children not used to play. Okay, so I have written here some examples. Like when children used to play, grass would be soft green color. Soft green grass will be there. And when children were not used to play, snow covered with grass. Children used to play, children stopped playing. Spring, autumn would come, north wind stay. And here the words have given. Now we have to write these words with a sentence. So snow means snow covered up the grass with great cloak. The frost painted all the trees silver. North wind stayed with them. Hail came every day for 3 hours. Like this we have to write. Now turn to the page number 14. On the 14 we can see match the words with their meanings. So we are getting here meanings and here are the words. So we need to write the meanings and the words. Okay, I have written here to screenshot this also. Okay, delicate meaning is very fine and easily damaged. Blossom means flower will get blossom. Gruff means angry and rough. Fragrant means sweet smelling. Cloak means loose outer cloth. Okay, so now turn to the page number 15. Here you can see match the sentences with their logical endings. So here what we have to do, we have to match the sentences. Jane was sad when she heard her aunt passed away. I was proud when I saw my father on television. He felt frightened when someone shouted in the dark. He felt jealous when his mother hugged his sister. Tina felt angry when someone stole her money. Now here second bit is, here are the words and here are the meanings. So we need to follow up their meaning. Surprised means astonished. Tired means exhausted. Big means enormous. Frightening means terrifying. Cold means freezing. Hungry, starving. Interesting is fascinating. So these are the small little words we use. For big extreme dictation we need to write this kind of letters. Okay, we cannot say these small letters when coming in a big classes. Okay, so we need to instead of these letters we need to talk with these letters. Okay, now turn to the page number 16. Here we are having some degrees of comparison. Okay, so here are the comparison letters and here are the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A clever, so we need to write it with positive. So what are positive? The main word is known as positive. Okay. So for this positive, we need to compare. Like it is strong means stronger. We are comparing. And superlative means not comparing. We need to tell this is the bestest one, like that. So that is superlative. So here are the words. A clever girl has joined in our class. Ravi works hard in his farm every day. Manu is as tall as his father now. My sister is thin, she doesn't eat much. The mathematics exam was difficult. Fill in the blanks with using comparatives. So these are the comparatives we need to write over here. Sudha cars isn't very big. She wants a bigger car. So very big. Here we are comparing big with bigger. You are not tall. Tall we are comparing with taller. You are very comfortable. Your chair is nicer. Jili's idea wasn't very good. My idea was better. For good, you should write better. These flowers aren't very nice. The blue one is nicer. Now here we have to write with superlative. So these are the superlative words. For close, closest will come. Large, largest. For brilliant, brilliant only come. Hot, hottest. Powerful, for powerful only comes. So these are the irregular forms. Okay. So we have completed the grammar part also. So write this all in your class works. Okay students, thank you. We have completed chapter 3. Third lesson, the selfish giant. Okay.